Hi, I'm Mike Ellis, and I want to show you a cool feature of SQL Prompt. One of the issues with T-SQL is that it doesn't really tell you when you have dependencies with your objects by default. So if I create a table right here, like the customers table, and then I create a stored procedure that's dependent on the customers table, and then later down the line, at some point, I delete the customers table, like I drop table customers, there's no warning here telling me that I've got a procedure using that table. Software development teams have struggled with this for a very long time. Often what they'll do is in the release pipeline, at one step in the release pipeline, they'll drop and recreate all their stored procedures or all their views or all their functions, and then it will warn them to tell them that they have a dependency in the drop and recreation. But the problem with that is you have to remember to do it. You have to do it manually or automatically, and you actually have to do it at the last step of your release pipeline, well after you've made any schema changes, or else you really didn't do anything useful. But one thing you could do with RedGate SQL Prompt is you can right click on your database and you could say find invalid objects, and it will warn you and it will say, hey, this stored procedure is dependent on a table that's no longer here. And if you get used to doing this, you can do it way earlier in the development process. You can do it every day or at the end of every day or before you check into source control. And then you can catch your problem before any other developer on your team finds the problem. So, and we know that when a developer finds his own problem or her own problem, that it's far cheaper, way easier to resolve, all good things. So thanks. I hope you enjoyed this tip and you find out for yourself by downloading RedGate SQL Prompt. Thanks. Have a great day.